Introducing the 2019 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, fog lamps, backup camera, remote engine start, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, alarm, blind spot monitor. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.